Okay, tonight is Bang Bang Chicken, and which is my first time ever trying it, and homemade onion rings, which that is my first time trying it too. So you get to watch me fumble, most likely. Most likely. Hi everybody. How's it going? For everybody who's watching and giving hearts, love you back. I can't go through names. Eric, Sean, and all kinds of people. And Kim, and Michelle. Better rock it, don't stop. I know y'all remember this song. Alright, so I'm gonna do this easy tonight. I usually don't do this. So I got a big bag, and I'm gonna put my breading in here. I need egg. I need egg.
Oh.
And milk. This is a good song now. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? Oh, that's a remake. Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. I didn't turn it up. Okay, hang on. Okay, so for this, you always bread it. Oh, turn that down a little. It's still too much. I'm gonna have to yell. Alright, so it's a little bit of milk. Here, you can put this right now. And let me get a couple eggs. Alright. Whisk that up. Here, why don't you go do that? Do you think you can do this turd without spilling it? Whip me up some eggs. Whip me up some eggs. Oh wait, wrong drink. Oh hell. I'm wasting it on that. Okay, so get your bag. And I need a bowl to mix that. What? Okay, thank you. Okay, get the bowl. Keep doing it. It's gotta be bubbly. Okay, so the shit keeps coming up. Okay. Say what? Okay, get you some flour. Tabby! Hush! That's not nice. You're just gonna ditch her and take her friends. Okay, and then you need to get some of these, okay? This kind of panko, which I purchased over in the Asian aisle, I guess you could say. So, it's like, it's kind of like bigger crummies. And use a lot of these. More of these than flour. See? It's different than regular panko. See how it's bigger? I guess you can use regular breadcrumbs or panko and get you some chips, like potato chips. Crush that up in there. I don't know. It'll probably work though. It tastes pretty damn good. So anyways, but you get the bigger panko though if you want. Oh, I don't want it. I'm gonna go like this and it's gonna go freaking flying everywhere. That'll happen. What? Ah, I can't help but groove. It's beyond my control. Oh, then what the hell am I gonna do with this? No. What? It's getting bubbly. I think bubbles is good. Okay. And then you get to add your panko. And a lot of it. All right. All right, now we need some spices up in that bitch. So, some black pepper. Chicken tastes like wood. What the hell? All right, and some, I'm not gonna put no salt because it's already gonna be salty enough. So I'm gonna put this in there. I love this shit. What? Yeah, that's good. All right, so add some of that. Now, I like to add a lot. And garlic powder. And supposed to be a little bit of basil. Where in the hell is the basil? There's dillweed. I got dillweed. The dillweed's back there. Go watch this. All right, basil. Not too much of that, because that's strong. Let's see if I can get this freaking brighter or something here. I don't know. Is that better? Better?
This is a long way from Chicago.
Okay.
And
Now.
the days till spring.
Oh, and a little bit. No, I don't need to put onion powder because I put the adobo. Okay.
Nothing but work
Now mix it up.
is going to make these hot fields yield the fresh smell of citrus and pine.
Mix
There are no
it.
shortcuts to
Mix
this
it.
IPA. You don't need to be the only one.
Has anybody had these in Fishbone?
Best for your drink.
This is where I had them and they were pretty freaking good.
Any guy can wear
They had tacos.
Yeah, no, it was shrimp
They're big
instead of
shrimp
chicken.
tacos.
Yeah, but it's also an appetizer. Okay. So put this in there. You know what? Turn on the deep fryer so it can get hot. Now put this in your bag
Break and twist.
without dumping it.
But of course, he's not just a pretty hairstyle. He can shoot a text right from his armband. Exquisite emoji choice. Easy
All right, here
for
you guys
every
are.
day.
You turn it on? Okay. Turn it on the deep fryer because that's where I'm going to do the nuggets. You can bake it too, but we're going to deep fry bitches. All right, there's your bread. Now for your sauce, your bang bang, turn that down please. That is loud as shit. Jesus Christ. Get more. Yeah. Fuck.
You said it with that
You know what, maybe it... Because I'm a boss.
Because I'm mean.
That's my ringtone. Keep working about now. Alright, so for your sauce, I'm getting off track again. You need to get you some gochujang. That's what I got. And I kid you not, that's what it is. Gochujang. Hot and sweet sauce, okay? Need some of that. You need the mayonnaise. And mayonnaise. Go figure. Okay, and then give me a little bit of Frank's too. Frank's. There it is. Frank's. Hey Paul, hey Mark. Okay, and then I'm gonna make homemade onion rings. So I already did cut those. Big ass onions, okay? But there's also some little ones. Because you gotta eat the little ones too. So, but they're fat. Alright, so for your sauce, your bang bang sauce, tell me when this is ready.
How do I know when it's ready?
You're gonna use this hot and sweet stuff, which is a lot like me. Hot and sweet. Spicy.
Sweet and spicy.
In other words, don't mess. Okay, and then give me some honey.
What?
Give me some honey. As you can see, I don't measure shit. You figure it out. I'm just telling you what goes in it. Because I do it to taste. What? No, this isn't going to work. I need more than that. What? You just brought me an empty thing. Oh, give me a silver spoon. This thing gonna pop out. I'm gonna need your stirring abilities again in a second. Okay, and then you add mayonnaise to this. I think we're gonna need more than that, huh? Alright, we'll start with 3. And then some honey. I'm gonna put a little bit of honey in there. Lovely. Let's call that 3 tablespoons. Okay. Then where's the Frank's? Now let's put a little Frank's in there. We'll call this a teaspoon. Because we don't need a lot. The other stuff is already spicy. Alright, now, here you go, turd. Get to mixing. What? Okay, it's ready. I hear that. Alright. So our grease. Go, move over there. This is my workspace. Okay? My workspace. They're gonna try to take over shit. Alright. Not Carrie though. My